It's just one of the days when you crave for a really good chicken thigh roast. There are some aromas that take you back in time, before the rush, before life became busy, to a place where food wasn't just cooked, it was celebrated. And today I'm gonna share my easy air fried chicken thigh roast recipe that you will absolutely love, as it takes just a few minutes and turns out perfectly tender and delicious. To get started, we need to prepare the marinade. For that, we will need 4 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of dried kasturi methi, and the star ingredient, which is 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. I've skipped the food color, but if you want, then you can go ahead and add some food color as well. To get the tanginess, we need to add juice of half a lemon and drizzle some mustard oil for that intense flavor. Mix everything well to form a thick marinade. I've made some slits on the chicken thigh so the marinade seeps into it very well. And I prefer using chicken with skin on, but if you don't like skin, you can just use chicken without the skin. Once marinated, let the chicken sit in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours or even overnight. And then you just have to air fry it at 185 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes while turning in between, so the marinade doesn't burn. This turned out so tender and so juicy, and the flavors were perfectly balanced with spice as well as tanginess. Do try this recipe out and trust me, you will be preparing this chicken thigh roast almost every other day. If you're in the UK, then you got to try Cosmos Buffet. They have almost 100 plus dishes, live grills, global flavors and desserts that look straight out of a dream. We celebrated my husband's birthday at Cosmos and enjoyed a wholesome birthday meal. It was perfect with all the different international starters, main courses and desserts. They had all sorts of international dishes ranging from Indian, Chinese, Thai, Mexican, and their live counters where they prepare food just as you prefer. Desserts part was my favorite, especially this automatic softie machine. This brought back so many childhood memories of eating softie every time we traveled to Mapsa market for shopping. If you're a food lover, and especially if you have a sweet tooth, then you have to try the Cosmos Buffet. You are definitely gonna love it. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog and a chicken thigh roast recipe. Try it out for yourself and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting recipes.